Oh, he did it with fins. Aloha! Hector here with the Carmen 3 Diving Adventures, episode number 32. Check this out. First, I got to give props to Mr. Randy Falau for allowing me to bring another Mokumanu Virgin out here to some great diving. What'd you think, Art, of the first dive?
Fucking awesome.
And also we have Tony the Tiger Johnson. Check it out, guys. Freaking amazing. So that north-facing cave right there, that's what we just did. We just came back from that. We're about to go and do the west-facing cave right over here. It's an underwater cave. Absolutely amazing. We saw 6 sharks, 6 white-tip reef sharks inside the cave. And it was a little tense. A little intense. But anyway, we're getting ready to go diving. Oh yeah, check it out. That's what the shark did to me. He broke my monopod. Anyway, we're about to go do the west-facing cave, and I'll let you know what we see. Till then, aloha. All right, we're back from our second dive. We did the west-facing cave. Absolutely phenomenal dive. We surfaced inside the cave, like Art says, like a grotto up there, but pretty amazing. What do you think, Art? Amazing. Tony. Again, want to thank Randy Falau for signing off, bringing the Mokumanu Virgin Art out here, so you can enjoy the beauty of what is Mokumanu. You guys, if you want to come out here and be a part of episode number 33, give me a call, 808-646-9333. So until next time, guys, this concludes episode number 33 of the Carmen 3 Diving Adventures. Until then,